In this video example, we can see how a compressor's various controls affect an audio signal in real time using this plugin here called Smexoscope. Here we have a drum loop which has no effects or plugins inserted on it just at the minute. And then here we have a compressor which is currently bypassed, but we'll engage it now. And we have set a ratio of 5:1. So for every 5 dB over the threshold, 1 will be outputted. We can see this in the waveform. You can see it's been significantly reduced. Now the attack control, as we pull this up, will allow the peaks to come through. And then as we pull up the release time, these peaks will become progressively lower in value as it takes longer for the compressor to return to the threshold. Now these effects can be seen in a different plugin in Logic called the enveloper. And here we can see as the time is increased, the waveform or the transients of the waveform will change. So as we increase the time it takes for the attack to come in, you can hear the dulling of the sound, and obviously you can see this in the waveform. And the same happens on the release portion. So effects like these can be used as creative effects. Here we have a chord sequence. And then here we've actually set up a sidechain signal to trigger the compressor's sidechain input. And we pull the compressor up here, and what we'll see is as the sidechain signal is triggered, the dynamic range of the chords will actually change progressively over time. So we'll just pull the threshold up to start. So there's no real audible difference there. But then as we pull the threshold down, we can see the sidechain signal come in there. And the dynamics of the chord sequence itself has finally changed.